Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm doing another Play-Doh review. This one is Play-Doh's Magical Designs Palace featuring Aurora. So there's Aurora over there, and this one includes sparkle compounds. So I have never seen sparkle compounds before, but I am assuming that it is just Play-Doh with glitter in it, so we'll see if that's true. And then it comes with a princess, and then we'll open up the box and see what else there is inside. So we have here, this is the base of the Princess Palace. See that over there. That looks like another piece of the palace. Let's put that down. I guess we have to assemble the palace. Oh, and it comes with a cute little bridge. You see that bridge over there, which has the 3 fairy godmothers from Sleeping Beauty. And I think Aurora is Sleeping Beauty. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry, I hesitated there because I could not remember. I just have always known her as Sleeping Beauty. That's the instructions. And and then we're taking out the princess right over here. So let's take her out of this box. Oops, dropped her. That's her dress. And then I think you put her... There we go. And then the princess goes up on top there. I'm not going to snap her in again because we're going to use the Play-Doh. And then it comes with different dress designs. So these are 2 of the towers for the princess, for the Play-Doh. You can use that up on the top. And then there's little patterns on it. And then, what is this? This goes up on top over here. And then you can make little designs on that too. There's a present and a rose, and a daisy. So that's probably for designing her dress. You can make little patterns on it. And it's a cake. Let's see. And then I wonder if you can put the cake there too. So this is the regular Play-Doh, and it comes with pink and yellow. And the glitter Play-Doh, which I'm really excited about because I've never seen sparkle Play-Doh before. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint, is in pink and blue. So let's start off by making Princess Aurora's dress in this pattern, and I'm assuming that you will shove the Play-Doh in there and then push it down. This is not there. So let's make her a sparkly blue dress. Oh, see, and I was right. This is just the blue Play-Doh with glitter inside. So I can actually create a tutorial on how to make sparkle Play-Doh. Maybe I'll do that in my next video. Into place and see how this works. So I'm pushing down. I guess I didn't put enough. Okay, let's try that again. Let's just put more Play-Doh in there. I guess you have to fill it all the way to the brim. Place. Push out her dress. Kind of looks like an octopus. Push it all the way down. Oh, and then it pops up. I guess that's how you get it out. Pops up. Carefully take that out so we don't mess up the Play-Doh. So let's decorate her dress now. Let's see. How should we decorate her dress? Let's make some yellow. What do we have on here? Bows up there. So Move her to the side. Move this up. And let's make this bow. That's pretty. Oops. In there, so I'm going to take this out. Let's make this yellow daisy. We can get that out. And where should we stick that? Let's stick that on the bottom over here. What else should we make? Let's see what else comes in the back of this. Oh, so there's a lot of really cute stuff here. We can make, I think that's a bird. I don't know. You guys tell me, is that a bird? We'll stick that on her shoulder because I don't know if that's a bird or not. Oh, and let's make a heart for her dress. That's cute. There's a heart for her dress. And then let's decorate. Let's try one more thing and try to make this cake because it looks cool. The thing keeps popping out though. Not sure why. Okay, so for the cake, let's make it with, let's put some, let's use not the glitter one. Let's just use the regular pink Play-Doh. Oh, purple. Snap it in, and let's see how this cake looks. Oh, that's all we got. Let me put more Play-Doh in there. I can't even see the pink. Looks like I can only see the purple. I'm not even getting to the pink. Okay, oh, I see the pink coming out. That looks cute though, but it just looks like there's hair growing on top of a cake now. But it's pretty cool looking coming out. You guys see that? Let me push it all the way out. There we go. Pop it out finally. It just looks like there's hair growing out of a cake. That's like a hairy cake. You see that? You can put little eyes on it. Okay, I'm just being silly now. This is like a cake monster. Okay. Well, it is cool looking. Cake monster. I'm not sure if it's cute or not. We can decorate the cake though with like, I like the bows and the hearts. So let's put another bow onto the cake. The scary monster cake that has hair. It kind of looks like the monster cake has a bow mouth now. Anyhow, it has a different type of dress for the princess. So let's try that one and then let's hope it looks cuter than the scary cake. Oh, this one is super cute. That looks like petals. And then let's make, I like the bows. I'm partial to the bows. So let's pick a pink bow there. There. Get her up. So there we have it. Her pretty dress. And then you could ornament it with different designs. And you can actually put like Play-Doh in there and then just leave it in there to make the designs too. Thank you for watching this product review. This is a really cute Play-Doh set, and I like the pink glitter Play-Doh. Please visit me at thecheesethief.com if you want to see some tutorials. And have a great day. Thanks and bye.